What's happening, everybody? So today I am following Denny into some big mountains, not exactly sure where, but that's half the exciting part.
My name's Bruce Cook. I'm always on four wheels, so I might as well make them big.
So I'm just on my way up to the shop to do a couple things, grab a chainsaw, put some more air in the tires because they are low and there's gonna be some highway. Just throwing a little air in, going up to like 25 because, well, that one's already done. I run around town at about 10 or 12. That's what I air up to because it's slow and I'm lazy. Here we go. So, little ways up the trail, here's our first obstacle, which is an avalanche, apparently. Alright, well, it's raining, so that's a bummer, but... So you figure there's a creek underneath it?
Oh, definitely. Yeah, when you go up it a bit on the left, you'll see the waterfall feeding what is washing out underneath the avalanche itself.
Sweet. Okay, well, let's go closer. So, it doesn't look as much in video, but it's definitely rough. A lot of sticks and stuff in there, and not smooth. There's definitely a stream running underneath here. Small crevasse. Yikes. Beautiful. Going the other way might be a little slipperier. It's sure annoying how video doesn't do justice. Downside of the avalanche is Obviously no one's been past it, so we're probably gonna have a few downed trees. 630 meters here and getting into some little patches of snow, but nothing too crazy yet. Still raining. So many river crossings, and there's so much more water out here than 1.5 hours away. It's still a manageable amount of snow. Clouds lifting a little bit. We are in the big mountains here. I think we're, what were we, like just under 3,000 feet? So pretty low for this amount of snow. Well, the clouds are trying to lift. You can see all the avalanches just middle of nowhere. Creek running down there. We're into, what is this, 1.5 foot of snow or so. Creeks are starting to flow. Avalanches everywhere. Ooh, maybe a big one coming up actually. Uh-oh. That time of year, but there's a lot of traction in this snow. Uh-oh. That is a large one. Alright, so we're giving it a shot, I guess. I'm halfway on the avalanche. Shots. Very lumpy and bumpy. It's very hard to tell on camera, but yeah, and you don't want to go that way because you'd roll for a while. Oh yeah, piece of cake-ish. Large piece of cake. It's hard to digest. Well, that's pretty much the other side. I'm just sitting here in case Denny needs a winch point because it's pretty steep, and I do have the fresh 40s and he's on not fresh 37s, but it's nice and hard pack. It's good. there it is. We are on the other side. Not bad. Sky. Avalanche number 3. Yeah, but some blue sky, so take it.
Theme of the day. Drive over avalanches. Ridiculous at all. No problem. Sure. Sure. See this, right? There's no road.
Doesn't look like a side hill at all, but it pulls you over. Well, this is a very large one. Maybe the end of the road. We'll suss it out. So, if you spent a long time, you could probably get up there, but this is massive. All the snow from up top is now right here. So, turn it around. Back we go. Well, we're back at the bottom, earing back up. I would call that a successful day. I mean, we crossed, what, 3, 4 avalanches? Both directions, so yeah. The 5th one we did not cross because it was just gigantic and we didn't know if we could even get through after that. Maybe there'd be a bigger one, who knows? But it's a successful day so far. Maybe it's not over, because we still got some time. And that's a wrap on the day. We're heading home. It was fairly successful. Unfortunately, we didn't make it through the full way that we wanted, but that was a pretty large avalanche, and we didn't want there to be more and more after that. So for once made the smart choice, and that means we have to go back out and do it again sometime. So hope you enjoyed, subscribe, like, all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.